Hi, what's up everyone? So you guys have seen, we're over here at the dyno. I got Carter with me. Carter showed up to support. And we're just here getting the car retuned. It's just getting a cleanup. No power adders, so nothing was added to the car. Just clean up the car, clean up the tune, because after I fixed that fuel issue a while back, it just hasn't run right. So that's all we're here for. It already made a couple passes, as you guys saw, and we already matched our dyno numbers. So it was 281 281 corrected, 275 uncorrected. So 275 is like what it actually is. 281 is in a perfect world, perfect weather, in case you guys were unsure of the corrected and uncorrected features or the functions. So we already matched the same power. We threw another set of plugs in here because the old ones are a little fouled, not too bad. Make 2 more passes and we're done. We'll go back home. I don't want to make this too long of a dyno video. So like I said, that dyno video, that was really short. I didn't want to get too crazy with another just watching the car do pulls after pulls. It made the same exact power. Now, it showed 275. I don't know if you heard me. I'll explain it very, very quickly. The car still made 281, technically, under perfect conditions. That's what it showed last time. 275 is the actual real wheel dyno. So, like, in what the weather was, it was a little humid when we got tuned. It's a new day, obviously. I got a haircut. So, made the exact same power, and you saw that flame tune. So what he did was he gave me just a very, I don't know, I don't even want to say a slight burble, but on decel, he gave me some freaking GTR backfiring. So that's what the car does now. I got something in my eye. So that's what the car does now. It's tuned. It's driving great now. I'm pretty sure today's going to be the last video of putting the car back together, and then we can kind of get back to like a normal regular upload, real world time, because these videos they're out of order, but it's just the way I wanted to do it. I finally got my lips back from Mako. I'll be doing a full video review on my opinion on a Mako paint job. I'm giving you my my real thoughts on how it came out and if it's worth it or not. So today, throwing the lips on, putting the tires on, like that's what I mean. This car is going back together. It's pretty much back together. We took it out for a drive a couple days ago, but now we're gonna put the lips, finalize the bumper, finalize the rear bumper with the lip, put the wheels on, really clean the interior, clean the windshield as you can see, and hopefully we'll get a full shot of what the car looks like done. So before I just go and bolt the lip up to the bumper, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm actually gonna be adding this Honda. It's like a rubber molding that goes on the upper edge of the lip. And I'll give you guys the part number of that molding. So all that does is it goes on the top edge of the lip, and it just gives you kind of like that that OEM look, which it is. Oh, it's from Honda. It's OEM. It'll give you that OEM look, and also it'll kind of protect the lip from scratching the new fresh paint. So that's kind of why I'm throwing that on. I just got the lips on it, guys. This car needed these lips so bad. Like it's just, oh man, I love an 02 to 04 RSX with a Type R front lip. In my case, Type R rep, but I just love the look. Man, the wheels are next. I'm not gonna put them on just yet. I have to put an AEM sensor. If you guys watched the video, a couple videos ago, I don't even know how long ago, about the oil pressure sensor acting up, AEM sent me out a new sending unit, so I gotta put that in, but check these lips out. The lighting isn't the best. It's too sunny actually. Hopefully later on the sun will go down, you guys can see. But I got a buddy here today, so Carter is here. He actually helped me put the lifts on. He's working on his car I'm gonna do a short video with him. It's a separate video, but it's like an update. All right, so we got the new sending unit in there from AEM. Just plugged all that back in, put the sensor back in the car. So in theory, when I start this, I should have like 70 pounds of oil pressure, somewhere around there, as long as everything's good. So I'm gonna spin you guys around and we'll see. I got a big glare, so I'm gonna make sure you guys see the gauge. Okay, so we got the gauge. You can see it. Let's, yeah, you can see it. There we go. That's what I wanted to see. So we got 80 pounds of pressure. Perfect. So that's all it was just a bad sending unit in case you guys ever run into that. Okay. There we go, the first look. Jay's behind the camera now, by the way.
Yeah, I can't turn it around, guys. Sorry.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah.
With the fresh lugs.
Carter, what do you think about these wheels, sir?
Oh, candy. I'm about to steal those.
Oh, you feeling hungry?
Yo.
Because of this candy. So much candy, dog. I got a sweet tooth.
Go with these damn Cokes again, bro.
I got a sweet tooth. Yeah, this thing still needs to bake.
Come on, it's ready.
I can smell the paint from here.
I don't smell it.
And it's not the lip that I smell the bumper.
Man. Just the one.
This is the one, I guess you could say.
I'm just saying, just the one wheel on there. What a difference.
So we're gonna start getting you apply for shows?
What?
You're gonna start applying for shows now?
Nah.
Yes, you are. Don't listen to him. So everybody's gonna want to know what size those are.
It's the same wheels, 17 by 9s. It's just they got powder coated by Quick Strip. Give my man the plug, Quick Strip.
And those are extended lugs,
Yeah, they are.
as you can clearly see. Those are 22 offset?
No, these are 40.
Oh, 40.
That's why I have to run the. I think that's a 15. No, that's a 10 mil spacer.
I was gonna say it looks like it's about a 10.
Yeah, it's a 10.
So these are now a 30 offset.
To make it exactly, to make it like a 35, which is almost over here.
So in case you guys don't know about offsets, the higher the offset, the more it's going to stick into the center of the car. The lower the offset, the further it sticks away from the body of the car, from the center of the car. So if, for instance, he has a 40, right? So he's closer to the center. He's adding a 10, which will bring it more out.
I didn't understand offsets when I first learned this either. That's why I got the long set of wheels.
Yeah.
But we made it work, and it actually makes it sit pretty flush, so I'm happy with it.
And then look at the red from this angle versus the red when the sun is on it.
Different, right? That's what I wanted.
Jeez. That lip looks really good. Honestly, that lip looks better than I thought it was gonna look. Oh, you did the back one too, that's right.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Bro, the lips looked better than I thought they were going to look.
Yeah, big. They're clean. Damn, that car.
How does it make you feel right now?
It makes me proud, bro. I've been working on this car for like 7-8 years, and this is the first time I put money into the looks other than the wrap. But like this time I spent money that I really wanted to make it look good. And the wheels. Alright, how am I putting these caps on? Because you said there's a certain way.
Alright, I'll do it.
It looks better with both. Maybe it was comparing it.
Yeah, you can't compare that. That looks uber good.
I feel like there's too much going on the wheels now. Like the rest of the car is just black.
I kind of want to kick you in your throat for that statement. Just a little bit. Now you're overthinking it.
You know what it is?
You're overthinking it.
I gotta get rid of that banner. I'm gonna get a custom banner for this car to have like some of that candy.
Yes, I would take the banner off.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna put another one on there.
No, but I'm saying like right now, I would just take it off.
I ain't taking it off yet. I still gotta roll around branding that until I get a new one made.
Just put the regular one in the front.
I don't have a regular one right now.
No?
No, that's what I'm saying.
No, I mean your regular, your decal. Just put your decal on in the
The thing
front.
is like this big.
It's not the size that
I
matters.
only have one left, and I need to save that one.
Oh.
I only have one left. I just placed an order for more. With color, by the way, so be on the lookout for that, guys. Oh yeah, you do whatever you want, man. Alright, so it's not a big reveal. You guys have, again, you've seen this car already revealed professionally by someone who does this for a living, not just me shooting videos. Jay had a hand in here getting some clips of this. We took it out. We wanted to get some photos for ourselves because, like I said, it's weird. You guys have seen the car already. I haven't seen this car yet. This is my first time seeing the car all back together after, you know, the paint, the wheels and everything. So this is just kind of cool. It's really cool for me to see this car. You know, Jay's here taking some pictures. Nicole's here. She showed up, so she's taking some pictures too. And yeah, man, I've never had this car look this good. Like I've said it, this car looked good when I first bought it because it was stock. It had the you know, the A-Spec lip kit on it. Actually had the A-Spec trim kit that you bought from me on your interior. So like it had some nice A-Spec parts to it on some lowering springs. So it looked really nice for a stock car. Then young Sergio got his hands on it and started to change stuff up, but now I'm glad to be back to like a clean look, and it's functional. So I think that's the end of this video series. Hopefully after these videos go out, we're gonna get back to like real time, what's really happening, not just what happened in the past, we're showing in the future, whatever, you know, we're gonna get back to that. And Jay's still gonna detail this car, so he's gonna.
These pictures look good.
Good. All right. So you know he's still got to detail the car. So I've got some people say, you know, they see the orange peel in it. I'm gonna make a separate video of a Mako paint job because you have to understand it was Mako still. So you know, we're gonna go over how it. I can't even see it.
Oof.
Bro, we got some new backgrounds for my laptop and the phone, but he's gonna put his touch on this car. Once he puts his touch on it, it's gonna be shinier. Don't you worry, guys. So enjoy the video. Big thumbs up for the new look, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay motivated and keep making those streets louder.